Hi everyone, welcome back to Grapes News. Today we are so much excited to share a very positive update. The ABDM Integration State-Level Workshop was recently held in Ranchi, Jharkhand state. We were proudly invited by Jharkhand state officials of Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission to be part of this important initiative. During the event, we also showcased our presentation on ABDM integration and our advancements in digital healthcare solutions. As the chief guest, Shri Dharmendra Pradhan, Union Minister of Education, India, attended this workshop. The minister also visited our stall and had a discussion about our innovations and contributions. During the program, a special recognition was awarded to Mercy Hospital Jamshedpur for achieving the highest number of ABDM health record links. This achievement was made possible through full integration with Grapes IDMR, enabling smooth connectivity and efficient digital reporting. This event highlights the growing adoption of digital healthcare systems across India. That's it for today. Stay tuned, we'll be back with more updates.